Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have one more box from the drop. So let's get into this one and see what we got here. Oh, this I got from, I think I got this from Amazon. I had this in my basket. I think it went down a few pennies or something like that. And so I went ahead and picked it up. This is not going to fool anybody that is a coach, but I don't need it to be a coach. Actually, it could have been any other kind of initials here. I just thought this was cute, and I like the starkness of the black and white, so I picked that up. All right, so let's see what we have here. I had a few more items that I picked up, and let's see if they all came in. They did not. All right, so it's a couple more items, I think. All right, so this is a pair of shoes, not in the drop. I bought this because they were on sale, and these were men, so they had the same shoe, the exact same shoe in men and in women, and I didn't realize what I ordered was the male size, so I know I'm gonna have to send this back unless my son wants it, because this is the size that he wears. So this is a 10 in men's. So I would have needed an 8.5. But this is so cute. I don't usually buy their tennis shoes. I usually don't think that they're cute. But this one is. And I have that green, I think it was called Ivy or something, or that came out last year that was really close to this. It was really pretty green. And so I bought that to go with this. But, I mean, I bought this to go with that. But, I didn't realize I was buying the men's size. So, that is all I had to share because, that is all that came in besides my, I have some other videos you guys can check out. But that is what I had to share today, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.